Hi, welcome to Campaign 20. I'm Margie, and I would love for you to come in, take some time, chat with me about a brand new campaign here at Avon, all the new products we have to offer, and everything to get you fall ready. So with that, I want to also remind you that I am a local and online Avon ambassador. So that means that you can shop with me locally or online, so that will be easy enough to do. I will put my information below, so you can just click below, shop my store, and I would totally appreciate your support. And the biggest compliment you can give me is to like and share this video with somebody that you think would also like these products, because referrals are everything to me. So thank you for that. So let's jump right in. We have a brand new cream, facial cream moisturizer for this campaign. So it's going to lift, firm, and brighten, all in one. So Ultimate Supreme does it all. That's exactly what the name says. So this is going to be a very luxurious cream that just does everything in one. So there it is. I don't have this to share with you, unfortunately, but it's everybody's loving it, and I'm going to get it. I just didn't get it in time. Um, Free with purchase for $50 in skincare this time will be your ultimate lip and eye treatment, and that will be with an applicator. So that's always a really good thing to have. I can share this one with you. I do have this one, and that is a brand new, new platinum um, overnight sculpting mask. So I love anything that works while I'm sleeping. This is the component. It's very pretty. Will look very nice on your cabinet with all of your skincare. I love a good pump and an easy pump. That is always key for me. So this is going to be what you do at the very end of your routine. You're going to put all of your skincare on and let it soak in, let it absorb just a few minutes, and get going on whatever it is that you're using, because this will work with any one of those. And then you're going to put this on last. I'm going to put just a touch on the back of my hand, just because I don't want to put too much. But you can see that it is running a little bit, and it is a very thin. Look how easily that just disappears into the skin. So it's just going to be absolutely beautiful when you put it on. And then what it's doing is it's going to, as you work it from your chest, your neck, your face, it's going to just lock in everything that you've put on there, lift and firm and brighten overnight, that extra bonus. And then you're going to wake up and you're going to see a difference. So this is for any regimen that you're using. It doesn't have to be the platinum. Just if you're wanting a lift and brighten and all that overnight sculpting mask, this is the one for you. And I'm loving it. So got that for you. The other thing we have is we have, with $50 fragrance purchase this time, you're gonna get the Haku Sunrise. This was a limited edition, and we had to bring it back because it was so popular. It is unlike anything else we had in our perfume line, and it was just an absolute hit, even with me. And it smells exactly like what the name is. It smells like the sunrise. Those first warm rays in the morning, just that, and with a little bit of a woody undertone. So for me, it's like being at the cabin in the morning watching the sunrise, because just those first rays and then kind of that woody scent underneath. I really love this fragrance. I think you would too. Not only are you getting that with any $50 purchase, but we have a brand new one that I am going to get because it's right up my wheelhouse. And that is the Live Out Loud Solar Vibes. This is brand new. If you have a catalog, you've got a scent circle, go ahead and rub your wrist on that. You'll thank me for it. It's a wonderful, this is the fruity floral, which I absolutely love. And it is exactly what it says. It's everything sun. It's just like just like taking a vacation day and cruising down the highway with the top down, just enjoying the sun. It's going to have vibrant bergamot, coconut water, and fluffy marshmallow. And then I get the vanilla too. It also has, uh, I get, I guess it's the coconut water or the bergamot, but I just get that sun. It's that sun feeling that's the sun on your skin. That's exactly what it is. I mean, it's the solar vibes. It will be everything. I mean, sitting in your office thinking that you're outside just taking a vacation day and you're not even doing that. I did want to touch really quick. It's not new, but they are somewhat new and I haven't really touched on them, but that's the Skin So Soft bars. If you're having trouble finding a skin or a cleanser that you like, or that you really just to prefer a bar, we have you covered with the Skin So Soft facial bars because they give you all the goodness of our iconic Skin So Soft, all the oils and moisturizing that has brought for all these years, but they add in what your skin needs with 4 different bars. So you're going to be able to get like the hyaluronic acid and niacinamide and collagen and goat milk, retinol, and vitamin C. And I got the salicylic, my gosh, I probably butchered that, and lactate acids because this is for smoothing and softer skin. And I tend to get dry patches. So I was hoping that it might be something I could try and let you know. But if you like a good bar soap, you can use it on your hands and body also. But it's just that this isn't your normal body soap. This is going to be something that is in your skincare line in a bar version. So yeah, so that's just something I wanted to kind of highlight out there real quick. We're going to jump into fashion and jewelry. How about the mood ring? Who remembers the mood rings? Well, we've got a stretch mood ring, so it fits most. And you're going to be able to have it change with your mood. If you remember that, it will change colors as your mood changes. Then we've got the tarot necklaces. How cute is that? We've got the Empress, uh, the Lovers, the Evil Eye, and Fortune, the tarot cards, and we put it right onto a necklace. So if you are definitely into the mystical, that is for you. Any of you that need something blue to add to your wardrobe, we've got a nice 3-piece necklace. That's all one, but you're going to get all 3 layers in one necklace, and then you'll also get you can buy the bracelet to go with that. We've got quite a few new pieces in jewelry to find. We're going into the falls, so you're going to see the chic, the golds and the blues there, and then you're going to get into the browns and the ambers and gold in this next pieces and the luxe. And then we've got um, the bold blossom. Isn't that pretty? So you could get something like that. And then we've also got the faith gift sets. So these are, if I can show it to you. Um, these are, you're going to pick silver or gold. So they're sets. You're going to get 2 necklaces and 3 pairs of earrings, either in the silver or gold. So what a cute gift is that? So that is going to be a great gift for either you or somebody else. Jumping over to fashion, we've got just a few new pieces. We're looking at comfortable but yet warmer because we're going into those cooler months. So definitely cozy, but we've got fashionable. So right around the collar and down the arm, it is you can see it here a little better. It is a silver metallic, it is a silver ring. So that's how you're getting the pattern there. Pockets and pleats on the pants. Yeah, so what a nice set. And then if you are looking for something a little dressier, we've got this turquoise, let me, yeah, turquoise green. I always want to make sure I get the colors because sometimes they look a little off. So turquoise green on that beautiful blouse there. And then if you're into the plaid, let's just jazz it up and make it a little bit more fun. But there is your plaid and just a little bit of, instead of just a full button up. Yeah, so that's what we have for fashion. If you would love to see the fashion on somebody and all of our fashion and some of our accessories right now, jump over to my Facebook page. That is Avon with Margie. That you can definitely, and I think it's Avon with Margie M. You have to put the M on there because there was somebody else. So over on Facebook, there will be a video. We have a couple of representatives that are nice enough to do a full wardrobe of everything that we're carrying, and they model it for us and tell us all about it, and then they very generously let all of us ambassadors use it. So jump over there, take a look, and that way you can see it actually modeled and a little bit more about the pieces that we're carrying. And they're even going to show you some that are coming. So that way you don't have to worry about they're all going to be sold out. They're going to show you some that's coming in some of our other books too. This is our, we always have that wow bundle in the back. Well, this is definitely a wow deal because this one's going to have jewelry. You're going to get that necklace and that earring set, plus the vitamin C antioxidant lip balm, and then your day ultimate cream, and then your far away emulsify. So that is a piece. You can get it for $32.99 with any $15 brochure purchase. I wanted to give you just a sneak peek of products coming in the next campaign because a friend of mine bought these, and yeah, I just wanted to make sure I was able to show you guys. So coming back next campaign, we had these before. They sold out. They were limited edition. They sold out, but they're back. So we've got the glitter and peel polishes. So this is going to be your newlywed. So this is your white. You could layer this on top of any color and just give it a nice glitter. Then you've got, I think it's Best in Show. And I forgot the name of this one. So a red and a pink is what you're looking at there. So aren't those pretty? I mean, you are just going to dazzle through either your Halloween costumes, through your holidays. This is your glitter, and it's in the peel formula, where if you peel it off, it's not going to damage your nails, and you're going to be just fine. So that was a little sneak peek. I hope that you enjoyed this. Like I said, like and share. And thank you for being with me.